democracy in a democracy, the first basic thing is the special thing that we are diversified language, diversified religion, diversified way of culture, and the same culture, same language. We have when the government come in power, they are starting politics of discrimination, politics of maximum power. They always go for the maximum power of people. If there is in any state, some people are using more laws. I will give you an example for Manipur. There are two tribal communities, Meitei is number in the state. Modi support Meitei and cut all the right of minority community. All right. This is the we can say discrimination against lower number of communities all over the world. Always destroy the economy, destroy the democracy, destroy the constitution level of change. We have lower status in less freedom. You are asking a question, I will give and you will display on your television. If you are in India, it means if you raise the voice of opposition, it means you are definitely going to win. This is confirmed. If you raise any part of media, maybe YouTube or Facebook, they raise any issue against the government, definitely next day they go to court.
So do you think that is why Mr. Kejriwal has been accused?
Definitely. If you consider the rule of law, somebody is convicted in some case, and he is just write some name in the diary on the reference of government, and Kejriwal is arrested. Kejriwal is CM. Hemant Soren is CM. He is arrested on the basis of a note in diary. In note in diary, this is also a Christian Mitchell case and Augusta Westland issue. They compel him to write the name of Sonia Gandhi, write the name of Rahul Gandhi on his diary note. On that case, they will make a issue, and Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi also have to take a bail. They have to take a bail from the newspaper published by Congress Party, that is National Herald. National Herald issue, fund transfer between company and party. They will make a case and put a tag on our leadership that we are on bail. If you read the UG case, if you read Paul Block case, that different cases, all are false. And against Rahul Gandhi and Congress. Before our government, before 2014, they make large scale of losses. The CAG report, Mr. Vinod Rai, he is a CAG, and make a false statement about the Colgate scandal. So in Colgate scandal, they say 1,76,000 crore rupees. And after when their government is coming to power, and they will find the note that there is nothing.
So, do you think that this election in India is fair? Because your Bankakun's Congress is present, Kejriwal in prison, BJP has the electoral bond. Is it equal? And you fights like that?
On the tampering of EVM, they will gain 15 to 20% vote from everywhere. At the constituency where difference of vote is more than 20%, opposition wins. When the difference of vote is less than 15%, less than 10%, then definitely they will transfer it to their candidate. So he says the EVM is not a stable instrument on this board. And apart of that, apart of EVM, the election commission behavior. On the same issue, I got into jail. In the same issue, the BJP people have no speech. They will hate speech. They will destroy the rule and regulation of election. That is called rules for election. When they will apply on the election time. BJP always destroy 15,000 complaints on single state election. That is Madhya Pradesh. 15,000 election petition is not being heard by election commission. And we say the EVM is not testable, we say the election commission is not testable, or we say the all bureaucratic system, all media system always working for something chronic capitalist of India.
So is it still possible to fight in this context?
We have to fight on two levels. First, we ask people to give the margin to against the BJP candidate more than 20%, more than 25%. Then we will win. And apart that, we will again control and proper liberty to election commission. Who can win? BJP can win, but on the fair, on the level of it. After within before 1 month, we will seize our account. Only that before 2018 year, we have not information about the 48 lakh rupees amount. They will seize our 250 crore and the fine of 1700 crore. But on the same issue, BJP have 47 crore in their account and no ID, no ED, no CBI was there.
So can you explain here how many approximately you think how many people are there? What will happen? Who will speak?
Definitely there is all 27 approximately parties who is called India Gadbandhan, Indian Development of Alliance. And Kejriwal is the most important partner of our India for Delhi, for Haryana, for Gujarat and for Goa. He is our partner and we will declare our sharing seats. Then after the declaration, they will take action against Kejriwal. This is legal action. No rule is applied on you can put in the jail. But they will put them or they will definitely destroy each and everything. India Alliance is decide if we will found not differently, we will found 1:1 issue. Now we are in all North India. India Alliance is fighting one candidate for BJP, second candidate for opposition. They will patch up. Then after that we will get more than 25% margin. If EVM is acting, I think more than 15% loss is covered, then 10% margin will be allowed to take. We will now unite for democracy, not for the party leadership. We will unite for leadership, we will unite for constitution.
Because AIP and Congress before were fighting with each other.
AP, Congress and more than 25 parties, more than all over India. It's a different states, different parties in different states. Somewhere we are understanding, not the alliance. Somewhere we are working along.
Do you think that Indian people, because here I can see many party workers, you think Indian people will react to what is happening?
Definitely, in any democracy, when we work against the Hitler's side, then we will have to unite. Now we are united on apart all of issues. We are united against the Modi and his government.
Okay. Can you tell me briefly about yourself? Are you working for Congress or just a supporter?
I am coordinator for All India Congress Committee and in charge for one parliamentary assembly for this election. And we are working for different parliamentary status every day. Currently I am working in Delhi for All India Congress Committee.
What is your name?
Ashish Sen.
Ashish. Okay. Thank you very much.